Alright, since we're dealing with SwarmUI, an AI tool, it can be complex, even risky, to try and obtain such tools locally. Before getting them locally, we might want to test them first, instead of going through a tedious process to obtain them. If we don't have the tool or server available, MIMICPC, linked in the description, is the solution. We'll start with a 50-cent balance and add a new application. MIMICPC lets us rent servers. Let's see how it works. We'll go to the tool we want, in this case SwarmUI, and click Add or Start Application. As you can see, we can choose between the best version, the latest, and even pre-releases, and we'll be able to select what would be the server here. The server can start at 25 cents per hour, which is the wargame style. Basically, we can use these servers when no one's in an instant game. As long as servers are available, we can use them for half the price. We go from 16 GB of RAM to 48 GB of RAM, which is crazy with 32 GB of RAM. Then we have the settings, where we can set how long we want to use the tool. Here we've set 30 minutes, but we can use it up to 145 based on my balance. Here we can configure various options like a reminder, which is a notification. We can set an automatic stop after a certain time, an auto time extension, and more. Then we'll click create, hit proceed, and now I'll show you how to access the tool. We'll need to wait between 1.5 to 6 minutes for the tool setup and to see that the tool is actually functional, so let's wait a bit. Don't worry, they won't charge us for this waiting time. After a short wait, we now have access to SwarmUI with all its features. Look, we have all the BAEs, access to all models, see how many there are. On a PC, we'd need to load models one by one, but here we have direct access to different BAEs, no LoRa's yet, but we can upload them here, plus folders and more. When we're done, we just hit stop confirm, and that ends our server session. It's that simple.